So hi guys, today we're going to do a simple Python program to recognize the number of faces in a photo. This is the photo. So it is just some photo taken off the internet, and this is the code. So basically we are going to use a library, a package called face recognition. You'll find it on GitHub and it's quite popular. It contains a lot of useful libraries. So we're going to use one of the features of this library. It has more features, more pre-written code which can be used by simply using a function, calling a function. So the first thing is obviously going to import face recognition. Then we're going to include the image to process. Of course, in case you will not have this library or package installed from the beginning, you have to install it. So you can run this command. Pip install face recognition, and this package will be installed in your system. Okay, so face recognition, it also contains a method to load files, load image file. So we have named it group photo .jpg, and we're going to get the locations of the faces. Using the locations you can draw a rectangle around the faces or some kind of marker on the faces for a visual output, but as of now we're not going to do all that, so we'll just get a series of locations in the photo where the faces are. So we're going to call face recognition dot face locations of the image. Okay, now we're going to print the face locations to see. So to run the file, we're just going to run python face recognition.py. It's gonna take some time because it is very resource intensive process. It has to process the whole photo. So these are the locations of the photo, and I'm going to print the number of photo because these locations don't really make sense unless they are used visually. So length of the array, this face location variable is an array, face locations. Let's run that again. So we got another number 13. So there's supposed to be 13 faces here. Let's count them. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. This face was probably not recognized because it is hiding behind, but otherwise this has good performance. Anyway, that's it for the tutorial. Please like, share and subscribe. It motivates me to make more videos like this, and you can support me on Patreon. That's all for now. My Patreon link is patreon.com/Saurav. So thank you very much for watching. Keep supporting. Bye bye.